Hello friends, welcome to the real world of modern agriculture. In this video, we will show you some amazing machines used in agriculture. Their working principles will surely surprise you. So without further ado, let's start the video. This is the Big Bud 747 tractor, the largest and most powerful tractor in the world. You will be completely amazed by its power, as this tractor is equivalent to the power of 10 regular tractors. It stands 14 feet tall and is equipped with enormous horsepower. It has 21 lugs on the rear for attachments and can cover 1 hectare of land in just 2 minutes. In addition, it has powerful tires that make it easy to operate while working the land. This is a cleaner machine, used to clear irrigation channels in fields. Since these channels hold water year-round, the edges accumulate a lot of debris and weeds. This machine separates the debris from the water and piles it on the bank, keeping the channel clean. This is a grass cleaning machine. It is used to clear weeds or crop residues from fields. With its wide attachments and sharp iron grooves, it can clear large areas of land in a short time. This is a burner machine. It is used to clear crop residues from fields before planting new crops. The burning process quickly removes moisture from the soil and burns off weeds, providing a weed-free environment for new crops. This is a round baler, used for making round hay bales. This machine operates by connecting to a tractor. As it moves across the ground, it picks up and collects the hay, wrapping it into a round shape. Shortly after, the bale is released onto the ground. This method of making bales compresses more hay into a smaller volume for storage. This is another magical machine used to wrap hay bales in plastic film. The machine first picks up a round bale and, while rotating it, wraps it in plastic film. Once wrapping is completed, the machine cuts the film and releases the bale onto the ground. These wrapped hay bales can be stored long-term and opened for livestock when needed. This is a bed farming machine. It creates ridges in the field for planting crops. It has 4 rollers on the back to form the soil into raised rows, which helps with irrigation and ensures crops receive even amounts of water. This is a plastic cover machine. Perhaps you've seen this type of machine before. As it moves across the field, it covers the soil with plastic film while punching holes and planting seeds simultaneously. This method of covering the soil retains moisture, reduces watering needs, and provides an ideal growing environment for crops. This is a large mixer used to make biogas slurry. After cow manure and all necessary chemicals are added to the biogas plant, this machine mixes them together. It has a grinder at the front that mixes all the components and can be operated remotely. After mixing, the resulting slurry can be used to produce biogas. This is a sod cleaning machine used to clear weeds from fields. It has a rotating drum at the front that quickly cleans large areas of grassland, piling the weeds on one side for easy collection. This is a plant trimming machine used to trim plants into round shapes. It is an electric machine, easy to operate, and perfect for garden design. This is a large water pump that connects to a tractor and is used to pump water from rivers into fields. The large diameter pipes can pump out a significant amount of water in a short time. This is a stone clearing machine used to remove large rocks from the soil. It has a rotating bucket at the front that collects rocks and places them into a container at the back, which can then be emptied using a hydraulic mechanism. This is a stone screener used to bury small rocks underground or flip the topsoil to create a smooth surface suitable for farming. This is a compost spreader used to evenly distribute dry compost over fields. With this machine, compost can quickly cover large areas of land, saving time and labor. This is an underground pipe-laying machine used to lay pipes without digging up the soil. It is often used to lay water pipes from rivers to fields. This is a liquid fertilizer spreader used to increase soil fertility before planting. This machine can quickly and evenly spread liquid fertilizer, boosting crop growth efficiency. Friends, these advanced machines should be more widely used in China. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and informative videos.